Now we're going to cook fries. Oh. Now, luto-luto tayo ngayon fries. Yan, masarap ang luto ng fries. The flavor is barbecue. Hindi pala. Barbecue, cheese. Barbecue cheese. Kaya, ayun, maraming salamat. Thank you for watching to my video. Bye-bye.